the RAMS team is back at OTC 2024. This conference hosts over 30,000 energy professionals globally, fostering unparalleled opportunities for collaboration and innovation in sustainable development. This year, Trinidad and Tobago made a significant debut with its pavilion hosted by the National Energy Coorporation of Trinidad and Tobago, showcasing the expertise of 7 companies, including RAMS Logistics. We connected with key industry professionals, established valuable relationships, and expanded our network. It was an incredible experience offering invaluable exposure. We look forward to leveraging these opportunities to support the development of our local and regional offshore energy sectors.